Yeah, that feels better. Feel that. Yeah, so it's the rainstorm, folks. Okay, it's all clear and we're getting heavy rain. It's all the sun. Hey. Oh, she there. Here it comes again. Ooh. Woo. 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 Oh, I guess we're not having karaoke tonight. Clark. Ah. Are you kidding me right now? Like, oh, there's just a little sprinkle right on it. Oh, there it goes. Calming down a little bit now. Dang, people. No sun shower again. That really cooled us off again. There you go. It's almost over. It just built out of nowhere, that rain. So you can see it right in the distance, right on the trees. There it goes. It's done. Ah. That feels nice, man. I can feel that on my arm. Oh, just imagine just taking a shower out here. Put shampoo, wet your hair, put shampoo on it, and there you go. Well, guys, we had a little sun shower again, looks like. I'm sitting underneath my swing, getting cooled off on my arms. Well, it looks like to me now, everybody, it's gone. For now. And now that it's cooling down, we can't even get thunderstorms because it's all the way over there. That's where the storms are. Alright, guys, that was pretty fun. Sitting out here and watching the rain. Sitting out here watching it. Alright, guys, see you.